Hi everyone, today I will be sharing with you how to make Minnie Mouse cupcakes. So for this recipe, I just used a cake box mix, and you can use whatever cake box you'd like, or you can follow one of my other cake recipes that I made from scratch. A lot of times I just don't have time to make it, but I have this urge to bake. So you're going to fill it about halfway. If you fill it more, it's going to look like a muffin. So for the frosting, you're going to add 1 cup of butter. You're going to need 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, and you need to sift it. It is very important to sift it. If you don't, your frosting will be clumpy. Then you're going to add some vanilla, and I add salt to not make it as sweet. And if you would like, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk if your icing is a little bit stiff. If not, you can just keep it as is, just like what I did. So this was supposed to be red icing, but I ran out of red food coloring, or the red food gel that I used, so it ended up being pink, which is fine. Now to frost a cupcake, you're just going to put a dollop in the middle and then make a circle and then pile it on top, and then you're going to end right on the top, just like so. Now you can make the icing as tall as you want. I just kept it about medium size. Here's another view of me frosting the cupcake. So Minnie Mouse's dress has white dots on it, so I just used white icing as dots. Then for the ears, I used mini Oreo cookies. Then I placed it on the cupcake. This part is optional. If you'd like to make a bow, you can make it by using fondant. I just took it and just tried to frame it into a simple bow. After, place it onto the cupcake like so. And that's it. Really simple, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.